Hi friends, we just got our new Rubbermaid Tandem bucket with wringer. We have a big office here and we need to do a lot of cleaning. So this kind of bucket is great because it has wheels. You can take it everywhere and you can, well, be very productive with the cleaning tasks in the office. Let's put it together. It's very easy. Okay, so you just put the wheels on. Just like that. It's kind of a pressure. Just ready. That's it. This is the handle. Okay. Okay. This side. That's it. You will be able to rinse the mop like that. Like this. You put the mop in the water and then you put it here and you rinse it like that. Really easy. You can move it really easy throughout the office. So you don't have to do a big effort bringing the bucket of water. And when you are ready, you just take it wherever you are going to throw the water away. And you have these candles. So you can do something like this. I mean, you won't put dirty water in the sink, but you can put it in the toilet or in the I don't know, in a garden, outside, whatever. You can do this. Has these pretty useful handles. Great. Let's clean the office.